moko, you got a face like a twisted gumboot.
It's Mum. She never listens to me.
Ah, evil woman.
Most kids my age have a cell phone.
It's a tragedy.
I have asked and asked and asked.
Yes, you have. You asked 7 times before breakfast and 5 times during lunch.
What's your point, kōrero?
My point is that you are a whinger and always have been, even when you were a little kid. I want a biscuit, I want a biscuit, I want a biscuit. Man! Look, in our whare, don't whinge. You can talk te reo Māori, English, French, Spanish, Niuean, but don't whinge. Get smart and get something.
Okay. You be Mum.
Okay.
Morena, Mum.
Morena.
Mum, I've been thinking about all my activities. Kapahaka, guitar, netball.
And I'm very pleased that you're busy and active.
I need a cell phone for your peace of mind and my safety. You'll know where I am and we can stay connected.
Awesome, pay.
So can I have one?
No, you're too young.
Thought you'd say that. So I've conducted a survey. 77% of my classmates have a cell phone.
That's fascinating. But no, you're still too young.
Please, kōrero, can you just ask Mum for me? Please, kōrero. She's your daughter. She'll listen to you. Please, I want a cell phone. 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 Please, kōrero.